Welcome to part 3 of this MachineBuilder design guide on generating panels. We'll be focusing on creating custom cutouts in your generated panels. In the panel generation window, select Add Holes or Cutouts to open the custom cutout interface. On the left side, you have the advanced options, which are the tools for creating custom cutouts. In the center, you have a live preview of the panel, which is navigable like the standard MachineBuilder environment. Inside, there are 4 different toolbar icons. The first is Measurements, which is used to constrain the custom cutout positions. The second, Transparency, allows you to toggle panel visibility between opaque and transparent. Fit to View changes the zoom level to fully display the panel. And finally, View Panel Top reorients the view to a top-down perspective. When you want to create a custom cutout, you can select from 2 major options. The first is to create a custom sketch, and the second to add custom holes. If you want to create a custom sketch cutout, select first from the 2 available options, either rectangular or circular. After selecting the sketch type, hover over the panel, then left-click and drag to create the base dimensions of the initial cutout. Left-click again to confirm the cutout. This will dimension the length and width for rectangular cutouts. For circular cutouts, this will set the diameter. Resize a cutout by clicking it and editing the dimension field. Press Enter to confirm. Constrain the position of the cutouts by using the measurement tool. Start by selecting Constrained Measurement, then select a panel edge as a reference point, and from there, select the cutout to define its position. Edit the dimension field to change the position. Press Enter to confirm. Circular cutouts align by their center point, and rectangular cutouts align by their edge. Additionally, you can add custom hole locations for fastening outside-mounted panels. Start by selecting the Snap Increment from the drop-down menu, then select the hole type, and left-click along the panel's perimeter to place the holes. You can edit the hole position by left-clicking and dragging to a new location. Left-click on Generate Panel to regenerate it with all the custom cutouts.